Introducing the 2022 Nissan Armada. Indulge your love of the strong silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, alarm. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.